Meaning of dominant.
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 Dominant. The term dominant is used to describe a situation or entity that has the greatest influence or control over other factors in its environment. In a social context, a dominant person or group is one that holds power or authority over others. In genetics, a dominant trait is one that will be expressed in an offspring if it is inherited from only one parent. The concept of dominance is often associated with strength and superiority. Overall, dominant implies a position of power, control, or influence over others or a specific situation.